What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
If for some reason when I unplug the charger, it dies immediately and there's also a green line through it. Can you fix it?
What, dies fast?
Yeah.
I think your battery is pregnant. Don't worry, I got you. Oh my gosh, look at his battery. How pregnant is this? Oh, that's a nice dog. That's a husky. Surgery time. Look at this battery. Do you see the difference? Your phone is ready, sir. Now it's good to go. Here we go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I hope not to see you again.